Whether you use your cart on the course, in your neighborhood, or around your property, keeping it safe is essential. In today's video, we'll go over the top 5 safety accessories for 2024 that you should consider adding to your golf cart. Links to purchase each and every one of them are available in the video description. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss new videos and updates. First on the list is a seatbelt kit. Many carts don't come with seat belts as standard, but installing them can significantly reduce injury risks during sudden stops or on uneven terrain. Modern kits are easy to install and available for as little as $50 to $100, making this an affordable safety upgrade. Our pick is the 10L0L Universal Golf Cart Seatbelt Kit. Ranging between $60 to $75, it fits most popular golf carts like E-Z-GO, Club Car, and Yamaha models. Features: includes 4 retractable seat belts, making it ideal for 2-row seating 2+2 passenger carts. Easy to install, with adjustable length to fit both front and rear seats. Great for making your golf cart street legal or safer for family use. Sturdy design with a mounting bracket that ensures the belts are secure and reliable. This kit is a reliable, affordable option and often receives excellent reviews for ease of installation and quality. At number 2, we have the Performance Plus Cart's Clear Folding Golf Cart Windshield. A foldable windshield is essential, especially if you drive your cart in windy or rainy conditions. It also provides protection from the elements and flying debris. Many are made from durable polycarbonate materials. Windshields are also essential if you want to make your golf cart street legal in most states. Coming in at around $100 to $150, this clear folding windshield fits most popular golf cart models. It's made of impact-resistant acrylic and is foldable, providing flexibility when driving in different weather conditions. Coming in at number 3, we have the Betul Golf Cart Rear View and Side View Mirrors Kit, a game-changer for enhancing visibility and safety on the course. Unlike many golf carts that lack mirrors, this kit provides a comprehensive view of your surroundings, making it an essential upgrade for any golfer. The kit includes 1 rear view mirror for clear visibility behind your cart, 2 side mirrors for blind spot coverage. With this kit, you'll be able to safely back up without worrying about obstacles or pedestrians, navigate tight spaces with confidence, stay aware of your surroundings, reducing the risk of accidents. Installation is a breeze, and the kit is compatible with most golf cart models. Plus, with a price range of just $20 to $30, it's an affordable upgrade that's hard to pass up. Always remember, never compromise on safety. Coming in at around $150 to $200, securing the number 4 spot is the 10L0L Golf Cart LED Light Kit, a must-have for golf cart owners who venture out in low-light conditions. Whether you're cruising around the course at dawn or dusk, or using your cart on public roads, this comprehensive light kit ensures you're visible and safe. Here's why you need it. 1. Headlights, taillights, and turn signals are often mandatory by law for golf carts driven on public roads. 2. Low light conditions can reduce visibility, increasing the risk of accidents. 3. LED lights provide exceptional illumination while conserving energy. The energy-efficient LED bulbs reduce power consumption and replacement needs are minimized because the bulbs are long-lasting. The bright illumination also ensures visibility in low-light conditions. Finally, let's not overlook the importance of anti-theft protection for your golf cart. A stolen cart can be a significant financial loss, not to mention the inconvenience. Fortunately, there are simple and effective solutions available. Consider investing in steering wheel locks. These devices prevent your cart from being driven away by locking the steering wheel in place. Affordably priced between $30 to $150, these locks are easy to use, simple to install and remove. For added security, consider installing GPS trackers to monitor your cart's location in real time. This can be especially useful if your cart is stolen, as it allows you to track its whereabouts and recover it more easily. And there you have it, the top 5 safety accessories for your golf cart in 2024. By investing in these upgrades, you'll not only make your cart safer, but also enjoy peace of mind knowing you've taken proactive steps to protect yourself and your property. Remember, links to purchase each and every one of them are available in the video description. Check them out. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss new videos and updates. Stay safe and see you next time.